This video will explain how to export playback video from Hikvision DVR. First step, plug the USB flash drive into the Hikvision DVR. Then, log into DVR menu. Go to File Management menu. Select Start Date and Time. Select End Date and Time. Then, click Search. Click View button from the selected list. Select the video that want to export. Click Export. Choose Player. Then click OK. Select a storage folder. Select Default. Then, click OK. The export process is in progress. Successfully exported. Click OK. Then, click Export again. Choose Video and Log. Click OK. Select a storage folder. Select Default. Then, click OK. Check progress in the Download menu. Exporting finish. Go to Live View menu to exit from File Management. Unplug the USB flash drive from Hikvision DVR. Then, plug the USB flash drive into the laptop or PC. Open the folder where the export results are saved. Select Player folder, then double-click on Player application. Click File. Open. Search the video backup to play. Now, you can play video on your computer. Okay, I think is enough. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.